Herbert Peabody and the Beautiful Honey Joy Adventure. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Today we have something special to see. We're off to see someone who lives in a hive. Can you guess who it might be? It's Bee and her colony. Working busily in their hive. And here is some honey the worker bees made. In their home in which they thrive. Bees also make beeswax. And there's something special we will make. Our very own beeswax candles. In a lesson we're going to take. We heat the wax with a hairdryer. The wax softens with the heat. Then we carefully roll the beeswax. It smells so lovely and sweet. Our candle is almost ready. A pin flower holds it together. Let's choose some honey to take with us and relax in the sunny weather. Back at home, Herbie has an idea. Let's use our honey for some baking. First, we place patty pans into the tray for the honey joys we're making. We measure out the cornflakes and weigh the butter too. We add our beautiful honey raw sugar to mix through. A grown-up lights the stove. A low heat melts our ingredients down until they are combined together to add to the cornflakes to mix around. We mix until our cornflakes are coated. There are many honey joys to make. We fill each patty pan with the mixture. Now into the oven to bake. Let's check how our honey joys are going. They are ready to come out. Hooray! Let's celebrate our wonderful bees and plan our next adventure